Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends here and abroad. Mark here in the fan cave. This is just going to be a review, an unboxing of a product I've had to purchase twice now on Amazon. It's a London phone booth shaped bookcase, and the one that I ordered prior to this was damaged. One of the whole hinges was ripped out. So I just wanted to actually do an unboxing of this one to see if this one's any better. And when I got it, it was sideways, and it's, specifically says like keep this side, keep this side up, but it was sideways on the steps. So let's see what we got here. I'm actually going to save the bubble wrap and the packaging because I did need that when I sent the other one back. Luckily, I will say it was a very simplistic procedure to send it back. I just had to put it back in the box, and then UPS came and picked it right up from the house. So all right, I'm actually going to put it up on my bed here so I can get a good look at it. Okay, looks like it's in pretty good shape so far. Much better than the last one. All right. Feel like it's the beginning of the movie 2001. Anyway, all right. So anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more various videos, including fans. Good night and good luck. Always be kind.